It's me, Erin. You soaking wet. You soaking wet. You are soaking wet. So much mud. I say it's working out. All the geese got out. Eggs. Bonus points if you know who this is, right? Steaks. I forgot to salt it. I'm not lifting you guys. You guys are mean. Lift! What is up, booby goaters? It's me, Erin, and I've got a big thing of straw, 2 bags of chicken feed, and 1 bag of crap corn. And I was gonna haul it regular like, but it's raining, and I thought, you know, since it's getting wet, I still need to get the green cart, but I could just pull up to where the barn yard gate is and then unload everything, turn the truck around and park it. You know, like that's one of those things. Something really easy today. Let's do it. All right, I made it down here. I'm right by the gate. The thing is, I can't really record because of all the rain. I'm like, what am I gonna do today for my video? I will tell you this morning, I made a whole bunch of steak and eggs, and I had my daughter Loretta go, man, steak and eggs make me feel so full. I could be full all day. And I said, yeah, this is very true, because that's how it makes you feel. It makes you feel full. And that's why people do it. Literally save money by not buying stuff for 3 meals a day and snacks and stuff, because you're full. So much mud. Everybody's so wet. You're soaking wet. You soaking wet. You soaking wet. You are soaking wet. So what I did was take 1 bag of cracked corn and mixed it to 2 parts layer feed. Controversial maybe, but it also extends the feed, and plus, since it's going to be cold, maybe all this will freeze and then I won't have mud again. It's supposed to snow at the end of this. Maybe we'll get some flurries, nothing will stick. The chicken run's muddy. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Come on. Always hitting stuff. My arms are so sore from doing push-ups, you have no idea. And they're not even real ones, but it's like a lot of my body weight. So I really feel them. Could be from the digging yesterday too. So much mud. So much mud. Okay, destination. Chicken coop. I don't know how the chickens are getting in here, or they're getting stuck. I'm not sure. I know. A doorstop, so the geese can come in too. Yay, it worked. I say it's working out. Oh, look, and 3 eggs. Oh boy. Oh, the geese got out. Eggs. Oh good, it's really chopped straw. I like really finely chopped up straw. Smells nice too. The The hens will spread the rest of this. If the kids were out here, I'd probably make them spread it. Hey guys. I came in here, put some straw down because it's really muddy. Straw helps suck up the mud. Like going deep in that mud, man. That's insane. I'm covered in straw. Probably my hair. It's all wet and soaked too. Alright, I gotta muddy up my truck now on the inside. Chase the geese back in. Oh, I can't believe I let them out. They ran away. They like literally ran out. Come on! Come on, goose, goose, goose. And there you stay. Bonus points if you know who this is right off the top of your head. Woo! You didn't have to Google it. You get all the points. Okay. Okay, well, I better move because look how soaking wet I got. She was. Alright, booby gutters, yeah, I'm going home to wash my hands and, like, clean myself, I guess. I don't know, it's getting chilly, it's still raining. I don't know if we're supposed to get, like, the major storms they were talking about, or maybe they already happened, but the cold front certainly is coming through because it's getting chilly, and it's getting later. And don't worry, I don't need to buckle them on my property. Well, I mean, you should. They always say you should. But I am in my property. Who's got butter balls? I got some butter balls. You know, one of my Butter Woman commercials, I tell you to go tell them some Butter Woman sent you. And I was going to be like, tell them Butter Woman sent you. And then go to a store selling butter balls and say to some random stranger, Butter Woman sent me. I think it'd be hilarious. Let me know in the comments. Eek, where's that tree? I got a tree here. I don't want to hit. Oh yeah. Mad backing up skills from the post office. I still got them. I'd back up a 2-ton. This seems fine. What is up, booby goaters? I've got some bottom round steaks. I got a big pack of them at Sam's. It was like $17, and I made the kids a whole bunch of steak for dinner. They wanted yellow rice again. And all right, so let's have some steak opening action. Let's have some steak opening action. You can't really see it, but there it is. Yeah, I'm having troubles, my friends. I need to get a new. I forgot to salt it, or did I? You're typing online, and they're reading it, so you can't read it the way that you really want to say it. They don't understand, and people get crazy about it. Trust me, they do. There it is. It is not pink at all. I'm sure it'll be good, though. Ow. Need salt. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do push-ups. I forgot to do push-ups.
Mommy, what's that?
Do you ever do those arm stretches like this? And it helps your solar plexus?
Holy!
Oh, it feels really good. My arm needs a good stretch. I'm doing them in the kitchen. It seems easier. Oh. Yeah. Emmett, come and do push-ups. Come on. Why not? You can do them like me. We're not doing them all the way because my foot like popped again. Why? All right, let's try it. No way. What was I on 3? Emmett, come on. I really want to make my push-ups and this is going to tire me out faster. What did I do? Like 6 push-ups so far. You're tiring me out faster. 6, 7, 8, 9. I feel like I did 9. All right. Thank you.
Where's my time with
you? Like smushed the air out of my lungs. Okay, okay. You're the worst coach. You're gonna. He's gonna grow up to be a coach, isn't he? I'm trying, Emmett. Well, you can't go higher. I'm pushing weight. Gosh, I'm just coming up with excuses. Look at all my little hairs curling. What? You know my shoulder itches? You're right there. Scratch my back, Emmett. Oh, don't do that. I can't lift if you keep pushing on me. That's the rules. Are you okay? Okay. This is harder with you on top. What are you, like 50 pounds? It's an extra 50 pounds, Emmett. And you're pure muscle. That's heavier weight. Can you help walk? Hey, you're pulling my hair. Stop.
That was annoying.
What was?
This.
A sticker?
Yes.
A 99-cent sticker? Somebody's mean. All right, move.
Now lift me.
Can't. Can you stand on my upper back? I need to pop it back in. Putting your feet on my shoulders. You can use the dryer to keep you there. Yeah, use the dryer to keep you balanced. All right, now put your feet closer to my shoulders. Yeah. All right, now walk backwards slowly. Wait, go back up. Walk up a little. Right there. Right there. That's the lift. Now lift.
Okay.
You want to jump? All right, now lift you. Ready? 1. Oh, that feels really good on my lower back. Your feet were there. All right, ready? You knew you were going to knee drop me. Emmett, I need to do my push-ups. Go play with me later. Ow. Did you find the food dye? Her mouth is blue. He's a Smurf. Look at him. I'm not lifting you guys. You guys are mean.
Lift!
No, that's 90 pounds. Y'all fell over. Ow.
You won!
Thank you for hanging out with me today, booby goaters. Have a good New Year. Hey, boogers. Oh, you're putting makeup on? Ooh, I'm telling.